Hello friends, today's video we are going to see about an RC200 is full candy blue painted with artwork, and everything we do with paintwork is no stickering work. And one more thing, full restoration of this bike. At first the chase was separated from the bike, and you can see this is the chase, and other all parts are separated. Completing the pre-works, we can start painting. And here the allied painting work has completed. What you are seeing here is candy blue paint with black heart. And now you are seeing is absolutely yes, the chassis and chassis painted as gold. It's BMW gold. And when it comes to fixing track tire, it was little hard because tire size was little huge. It's 190 type tire, and at first it was little hard to fix. And first we fixed from a nearest shop, and he told it is unable to fix. And then we went to another shop by some customers. They told it was good, and from there they had fixed. The fixing section was started during noon time, but it extends up to during night 12. And this is the next day. This is the polishing section. This is me Nijin and my brother Nidin. And this is the final output. What you are seeing is exactly the final output. The one side of the kit is made of Skull Edition, and the other side of the kit is made of Scary Bungalow Edition, and the tank was made of a Scary Tree Edition. And if you need such painting works or any kit or any parts, just the number is given below. Contact us or message our page, we can reply. And also one more thing, thank you friends, thank you so much for supporting, and thank you a lot for huge support. And one more, a big wish, please comment your suggestion in comment section and we will consider that. And thank you so much friends, thank you.